Hi guys, it's Marlene, and I am one of the Information Girls. No rumors, just the facts. So today I'm going to share some new information coming from the YouTube answer page. I'm going to have this information in the description box, and it is share clips. It's a feature. It's only an experiment that's available to a small number of creators, and we're working to let more creators participate in the future. So what you have to do is select and share a small portion or a clip of a video or live stream with others by clipping it. And then clips can be shared on social channels or via direct communications, for example, email or text. So clipping videos is turned on by default. So what you would do is that you go and you clip a snippet of someone's video between 5 to 60 seconds long. And they're played in a loop from the original video's watch page. So of course you sign in, you start watching a video. Then under the video, you're going to see this scissor, to clip the video. If you don't see this, the video isn't eligible for clips. So you create a clip box and that will show up. You select the section of the video that you would like to clip. You can increase to a maximum of 60 seconds or decrease to a minimum of 5 seconds. And this is the length of the selection by dragging the slider. Then you give the clip a title, a maximum of 140 characters. Then you share the clip. The option to share the clip is social networks such as Facebook or Twitter, and you share the video there. You can also email, you can embed, and you can copy the link. Also, you don't have to allow people to clip your content. To do this, you can prevent others from making and sharing clips of your videos by signing into your YouTube, going to your studio. Then from the left-hand section, you click Settings. Then you click Channel. Then Advanced Settings. And under Clips, you check Don't allow viewers to clip my comment. So this is just something new that I wanted to share with you guys. And here is the video that you can watch. I'm going to have this in the description box of this video so you can watch it for yourself. I am Marlene, and I am one of the Information Girls. And if you are new here watching this video, thank you so much. We welcome you here. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. And as Gio and myself say here on the Information Girls, no rumors, just the facts.
Information Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you